Good day, everyone. I hope this message finds you well. Today, I will guide you through the process of creating a multi-operating system bootable USB drive, specifically incorporating both Windows and Linux distributions. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's commence the tutorial. Step 1. Accessing the Ventoy website. In the search bar, type Ventoy and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results, which should direct you to the official Ventoy website. Step 2. Downloading Ventoy. Navigate to the download section of the website and download the appropriate version of Ventoy for your operating system. Step 3. Installing Ventoy. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and extract the Ventoy archive. Open the extracted folder and double-click on the Ventoy executable file to launch the application. Upon launching, Ventoy should automatically detect your connected USB drive. Let's verify that the correct USB drive is selected. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Confirm any prompts that appear by clicking Yes. Once the installation is successfully completed, click OK to finish. Step 4. Adding operating system images. Now, copy the ISO files of the operating systems you wish to include, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, and Ubuntu, to the USB drive. Step 5. Testing the bootable USB drive. To test the bootable USB drive, open your virtual machine software and create a new virtual machine. Choose the option to install the operating system later. Click Next to proceed. Enter a name for your virtual machine as desired. Click Next to continue. Click Finish to complete the setup. Power on the virtual machine. Connect the USB drive to the virtual machine and wait for it to be recognized. The Ventoy boot menu should appear, displaying all the ISO files you've added. Begin by selecting the Windows 10 setup, followed by the Ubuntu setup to ensure both are functioning correctly. Please observe the process as it unfolds. Conclusion. That concludes our tutorial on creating a multi-OS bootable USB drive using Ventoy. If you found this video helpful and wish to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. Goodbye.